Number 1. 1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,700, with only 96,000 miles on the odometer. It is powered by a fuel-efficient gasoline-powered V6 Vortec engine paired with an automatic transmission, and features a classic brown exterior with a matching brown interior. Professionally lowered and rated 9 out of 10 in overall condition, this truck is close to show quality while remaining practical enough for regular driving. The engine delivers an excellent balance of performance and fuel economy, offering plenty of power while running smoothly and shifting effortlessly through every gear. The truck has been garage kept for most of its life and was rarely driven in rain or snow, helping preserve its outstanding condition inside and out. It glides comfortably down the road with a smooth ride, making every drive enjoyable. A fresh Pennsylvania inspection completed in May, along with tires and wheels in excellent condition, adds to its dependable reputation. Reliable, eye-catching, and meticulously cared for, this Chevrolet 1500 is a standout classic that turns heads wherever it goes. Number 2. 1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,450. It has been driven 197,000 miles and is powered by a reliable gasoline engine paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. Finished in a vibrant red exterior with a clean gray interior, this regular cab, short bed truck offers a timeless appearance while remaining practical for everyday use. It is equipped with the highly desirable Z71 off-road package, providing enhanced capability and confidence on a variety of road conditions. The truck has been exceptionally well cared for, with a super clean interior and exterior that reflect the attention it has received throughout its life. Mechanically, the truck runs strong, starts reliably, and drives great, making it an excellent option for anyone looking for a dependable classic Chevrolet pickup. Its combination of durability, attractive presentation, and proven performance makes it suitable as a daily driver, a comfortable weekend cruiser, or a solid platform for future customization. Number 3. 1988 Chevrolet Silverado, price $10,500, equipped with a CAM 350 V8 engine that was swapped in place of the factory 305, making the truck more powerful than its original configuration. Because of the engine swap, the actual mileage is unknown. The truck does not have air conditioning, as the original owner never reinstalled the AC compressor after the engine replacement, and the current owner does not have the missing compressor. In addition to its upgraded engine, the Silverado features a steel cowl hood and a roll pan that enhance its classic muscle truck appearance. There is a small rust spot on the passenger side cab corner, but replacement cab corners, rocker panels, and trim pieces are included to assist with the necessary repairs. With its strong drivetrain, included replacement parts, and solid foundation, this 1988 Chevrolet Silverado offers plenty of potential for someone looking to build or restore a dependable and eye-catching classic Chevy pickup. Number 4. 2002 Ford Ranger, price $8,900, powered by a reliable 4.0-liter V6 gasoline engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. With 137,000 miles, a silver exterior, and a clean gray interior, it comes with a clean Colorado title, a clean Carfax report, and a brand new emissions voucher ready for registration. Recent maintenance includes 4 new Yokohama tires, a new clutch, flywheel, throwout bearing, clutch master cylinder, thermostat housing, and recently replaced spark plugs and ignition wires. The engine, transmission, and 4-wheel drive system all perform as they should. The truck runs and drives excellently, features cold AC, strong heat, upgraded Bluetooth audio, a trailer hitch, and a bedliner. Number 5. 1977 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,900. It has been driven 123,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, a blue exterior with a matching blue interior, and is powered by a gasoline-fed 350 V8 engine paired with a 4-speed transmission with a granny low gear. The truck is equipped with a 2-inch lift, brand new 315/75 tires, and a Warn winch, making it capable both on and off the road. It also offers ice-cold air conditioning, a hot heater, and retains its original factory AM/FM/CB radio, which is still in working condition. The truck has been a dependable driver, with the current owner putting more than 500 miles on it within the last 2 weeks, demonstrating its reliability. The original front bumper has been on the truck since it was nearly new, adding to its authenticity. Like many classic square-body Chevrolet trucks, it does have the typical rust commonly associated with these models, but overall it remains a solid, reliable, and enjoyable classic pickup ready to be driven. Number 6. 1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,600, powered by a V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. Showing 190,000 miles, it features a red exterior with a silver interior and has been used as a reliable daily driver. The truck runs and drives very well, making it a solid choice for everyday use or light-duty work. It comes equipped with brand new tires, power windows, a remote start system, and an aftermarket stereo for added convenience and comfort. The truck has a Chicago title, so it does have some rust, but it is described as being minimal and not severe. The only known mechanical issue is that the air conditioning is currently not working and will require a new AC compressor to restore proper operation. Overall, this Chevrolet 1500 remains a dependable and practical pickup with a strong drivetrain and several desirable features. Number 7. 2000 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000. It has been driven 208,000 miles and is powered by a reliable 4.8L gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in white with a gray interior, it comes equipped with power windows, power door locks, and cold air conditioning. The truck has been meticulously maintained using genuine GM factory parts, including rebuilt cylinder heads, new gaskets, lifters, sensors, a Melling oil pump, radiator, water pump, and fuel pump. The braking and steering systems have also been refreshed with new stainless steel brake lines, calipers, brake pads, a Detroit rack and pinion, and tie rod ends. The rear has been lowered for a level stance, and the truck includes the original 16-inch chrome factory wheels, a new FTI 2000 stall converter, and a Corvette servo. With its extensive maintenance and quality upgrades, this Chevrolet 1500 is ready to drive. Number 8. 1995 Ford F-250, price $9,998, powered by the legendary 7.3L Powerstroke diesel engine and has 209,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission, a purple exterior, a gray interior, and has been well cared for throughout its life. A Jasper transmission was installed approximately 2,000 miles ago and shifts firmly and smoothly. The truck also comes equipped with cold air conditioning, power windows, power door locks, and a set of tires that remain in good condition. Mechanically, the truck is reported to have no known issues and runs, drives, and stops exceptionally well, offering performance that rivals many newer trucks. While it does have a few dings, dents, and minor rust spots consistent with its age, the body remains solid overall, making this F-250 a dependable and durable diesel pickup that is ready for work or everyday driving. Number 9. 1990 Ford F-350, price $6,500. It has been driven 95,528 miles and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in a white exterior with a burgundy interior, it is powered by the legendary 7.3L IDI diesel engine and features an 8-foot bed along with a dually rear wheel setup, making it well suited for heavy-duty hauling and towing. The truck runs and drives exactly as it should, with cold-blowing air conditioning and all lights functioning properly. It is also equipped with a brand new Class 5 BW trailer hitch rated to tow up to 16,000 pounds, providing exceptional towing capability for work or recreational needs. Number 10. 1998 Mazda B2500, price $3,995. It has been driven 174,000 miles and is equipped with a manual transmission. Finished in red with a clean gray interior, this gasoline-powered truck has been well maintained and is ready for its next owner. It recently received 4 brand new tires, 4 new shocks, new upper and lower ball joints, new tie rod ends, new front brakes, a new fuel pump, and a fresh oil change, ensuring reliable performance and peace of mind. With its solid mechanical condition and extensive recent maintenance, this Mazda B2500 is ready to hit the road immediately and would make an excellent choice for daily driving, work, or light hauling.